randomly out here. And I was like, where's Loki? And look, Loki, what did you find? Good boy, ta-ta. Good boy, Loki. Ta-ta. Loki, ta-ta. Oh, good boy, Loki, ta-ta. The hell is that? He's still warm. Is that a hen pheasant or something? What the fuck is that? Oh, what is it? Is it? What is it? What is it? What's that, Sonny? Sonny, what's that? What is it? What is it? Oh, good dog. He's still warm. Is it poison or something? Like Loki hardly caught him, did he? Or is somebody... I don't know what the fuck's going on. That's mad. What is it, little dog? What is it, little dog? Go fetch. Go fetch. No, don't chew him. Alright, leave him alone just in case he's fucking poisoned or something like that. Come on, hey, come on. Come on, little dog. Sonny, Sonny. Sonny, Sonny. 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 Come on, good boy. Come on, come on.